Hello students, in today's business studies class we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is about insurance. It is a topic that is in the chapter number 4, business services. So we all know that it's a very common term nowadays. मतलब बहुत आम चीज़ है जो हम लोग सुनते रहते हैं रेगुलर. So what does this insurance actually means? कि हमने इंश्योरेंस ले रखा है या मेरा इंश्योरेंस है. So what is this actually insurance? What does it means? So if we go to the language, it is an agreement, students. It is an agreement because it is a written contract. जब भी हम कोई इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं तो डेफिनेटली we have a written policy. So written agreement is there between two parties. Now there must be two parties. One is insurer, the insurance company. So he is known as the insurer, and the other one is insured, the person who is taking the policy, who is taking the insurance policy is known as the insured. To make good of loss, हम उसके loss को, ठीक है, whatever loss he is suffering from, he is going to suffer. हम इंश्योरेंस क्यों ले रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि फ्यूचर में जाकर we will have some problems, we will have some uncertainties, future risk are there. So that's why we are going to take this insurance policy, so that if any loss arises, this insurance company can make it good. उस loss को अच्छा बना दे, सही कर दे फिर से. We know that the insurance company cannot do same everything as it was earlier, but कुछ ना होने से something is better than nothing. So that's why the insurance has been taken. So it has been to make good of loss suffered by insured. Now why this insurance company is doing this? Why the insurance company, or what kind of business they are doing? Why they are doing so? So it is for consideration of an amount, और इस amount को क्या कहा जाता है? That amount is known as the premium. When we take the insurance policy, हम उस इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी में जो पैसा देते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, उस पैसे को हम फीस नहीं बोलते. व्हाट वी कॉल इट प्रीमियम, बिकॉज वी हैव टू फिल द, कहते हैं ना हमें अभी प्रीमियम देना है, सो दैट टर्म इज नोन एज द प्रीमियम. सो इट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंश्योरेंस, एन अग्रीमेंट बिटवीन टू पार्टीज, एक इंश्योरेंस और एक इंश्योरर, एंड द अदर वन इज इंश्योर्ड, एंड दे आर हैविंग अ रिटन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन देम इन विच द इंश्योरर प्रॉमिस, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी प्रॉमिस टू मेक गुड, or they will pay, they will make certain amount if a particular event arises. If a particular event, उस event के होने पर ही आपको क्या मिलेगा? Compensation. You will get the compensation if that particular event arises. So it is all about insurance. Now what are the functions of insurance? It provides certainty regarding payment. If loss arises, so definitely we will get the payment. Payment if any loss arises. So it is a assurance that definitely in case if any uncertainty is there in the future, कोई भी risk है, कहीं fire लग जाए, कुछ भी हो, for what reason we are taking the insurance policy, so definitely we will get the money for that. Actual loss can be covered, so there is a certainty, option is there. Then protection against the risk. This is a particular function. It covers the risk actually. Basically, insurance policy is always for covering the risk. So, it provides us the protection, safety against the risk. Now, risk can be any kind. हम आजकल अपनी हेल्थ का भी इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं, ठीक है. Nowadays, we are taking the insurance for our health also, because we are not sure that in the future what will be happen with us. आज हम सही हैं, कल को ना सही हो. So, to cover the hospital's expenses, how this insurance also helps us. So it comes under the different types of insurance. So it is providing protection against the risk, future risk actually. Then risk sharing. This is the function of the insurance, that the risk shared by all the members who are depositing, who are submitting their premium. Suppose we have taken the car insurance, ठीक है. Generally हम क्या करते हैं, अपनी स्कूटी, बाइक, every vehicle that we are having, and insurance paper is very much necessary. कभी भी चेकिंग हो तो इंश्योरेंस के कागज अक्सर देखे जाते हैं, ठीक. So whatever it means, it's a regular work to get our these scooter bikes insured. अब there are very few people that who involved in an accident. So whatever we are paying, हमने जो अपनी कार का इंश्योरेंस लिया है, हम जो सब लोग मिलकर पे कर रहे हैं, Now this amount has been collected by the insurance company and it will be paid, the compensation will be paid to those who have been involved in such kind of event, mishappening, any kind of mishappening. So we are sharing their risk. हमारा पैसा जो हम सब ने collectively उसको जमा किया है, now it has been paid to that particular person who is suffering from the losses. So in this way this risk sharing has been made by all the members of the insurance policy. Then fourth one is assist in capital formation. Now we know that whatever we are depositing in the insurance company, what the insurance company do, whenever there is a सारा का सारा पैसा तो नहीं चला जाता उनका कि वो सारा पैसा अपना जो है they are giving to in compensation. Some part is paid for the compensation and remaining part of the contribution made by the different members have been invested by these companies, insurance companies, in the capital formation of the country. वो different business enterprises को, different industries को loan देती हैं, ठीक है. We know that insurance company also provides loans to the industries. So in this way it is helping in capital formation or in the development of our country. So once again I am repeating what topic I have covered. Meaning of insurance: agreement between two parties, insurer and insured, in which one person promise to pay at the happening of an event to the other party, but for why? For the consideration that is known as the premium, for the consideration which is known as the premium. Now as per the functions, provide certainty, that we will definitely, it's assurance that if the event will happen, that means we will definitely receive the payment. Then it's a protection against the risk, the future risk. We are having so many risks in our life with our belongings, so if it cover the risk, so it is providing us the protection. Then risk sharing: risk has been shared by all the partners, risk has been shared by all the members of the insurance policy. Then assist in capital formation: how the capital formed here. Now whatever we are depositing money, insurance company after making payment for the compensation, the rest of the amount, बाकी का बचा हुआ पैसा वो different companies में invest कर देती है. So in this way the country also develops students. So this is the topic that we have covered today.